Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Chevy Cruze LT, stock number Z6639B. 59,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Black granite metallic in color. Cruze is a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. Heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway, and approximately 75% of the tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.